So let's do the back exercise of chapter Art Rocks. Okay. So A question. Take the most appropriate option. First one. Bhimbetka is famous because it is Bhima's seat. There are paintings in the caves done by early humans. There are beautiful Buddhist stupas nearby, and it is a UNESCO heritage site. Okay. So the correct answer is there are paintings in the caves done by early humans. Option B. Okay. Then second one, the site of Bhimbedkar rock shelters were excavated by an archaeologist called Vishnu Sridhar Vakankar, found in a dense forest by the Adivasis of the area, discovered by accident by Vakankar who spotted the rocks from a train, and always known to have early cave paintings. So we all remember that it was discovered by accident while he was traveling by the train, right? So option C, okay. Third one, the rock shelters at Bhimbetka were made by hominids or early humans, are made of naturally occurring sandstone rocks, are rocks in the caves of Vindhyachal mountains and are not to the Vindhyas. So yes, the correct option is option B, are made of naturally occurring sandstone rocks. Fourth one, the rock shelters have paintings by hominids, people from the Mesolithic age, people from the Paleolithic age and all of the above. So these are by the people from the Paleolithic age, option B. Okay. Now, true false. B question, right? True or false for these statements. On the smooth inside of rock shelters, we find scenes painted by an ancient group of people showing the earliest traces of human life in India. This is true. Different people at different times use the same rock surfaces to paint on, so many images are drawn one above the other. This is also true. Third, as we look upwards, we find cruder and simpler paintings. This is false. Fourth one, supported by a rock wall, the author sat in a friendly silence looking down at the landscape below her. Yes, this is true. Then a tourist disturbed the peace among the rocks by talking loudly on his cell phone. Yes, this is also true statement. Okay. Now the D one. Think question D. Think about it. Discuss with your partner. Which scenes depicted in the paintings describe the formation of early society? Now, if we remember the chapter, all the scenes in the paintings show the images of humans and animals individually as well as in groups. If you remember, there were paintings of so many animals. See here, you can see also. Horses were there. A spotted deer, a gaily decorated horse, a man carrying a plumed handheld insignia similar to the one still used by Adivasi dancers. Then horse-borne riders carrying blunt stone instruments, and then progressively bows and arrows and masked figures engaged in battle. So all these were depicted there, okay? And how this show the formation of early society? So these show that humans have already started organizing themselves, so in a well managed manner, into a primitive form of society already in the Paleolithic age, so early. Okay. And then the second question, which tools did early humans use? What occupations did they follow? So this we have already seen. The paintings show horse-borne riders carrying blunt stone instruments. Then paintings high up on the rocks show later stages depicting bows and arrows, right? So and the next part, if we see what occupations they follow, so the occupations followed by early humans included hunting, fishing and food gathering. Okay.